Dear students, today we will discuss about the squash technique method to observe the various mitotic phases. Here the requirements are onion bulbs, and we have to remove the old dried roots of the onion bulbs. Now take two transparent glass tumblers with narrow bottom and a wide mouth. Fill the tumblers with tap water and then take two onions and place each onion in each tumbler such that the lower surface of the bulb should be in contact with the water, and observe it after 3 days. We will see the various new roots developed from the root region. Here these are different stains which we use. One is fixative, second one is 70% alcohol, third is spirit lamp, 1NHCl, astrocaramine stain, glycerin, microscopic slides, lighter, needles, blade, forceps, razor and water. So fixative, astro alcohol in 1:1 ratio acts as fixative, fixes roots and prevent further changes in the cell. The second one is you have to place the root tips in 70% alcohol to store roots for longer periods. Now spirit lamp is used to warm the slide at the time of staining so that the stain will be taken. And 1NHCl to hydrolyze the extracellular material whichever is present on the root. Astrocaramine stain is used for identification of chromosomes. And glycerin is used as a mounting medium for this. Now we require microscopic slide to place our required material which we have to observe. Forceps, through forceps we have to take out the root tips from 70% alcohol. And then water to clean the root. Excess of alcohol present on that. Now a razor blade to cut excess of the root tip. So only root tip region should be taken and the other part will be discarded. Now these two needles are used to place cover slip over the root tip. That is, cover slip should be placed over the mounted material which we are going to observe under microscope. So coming to the regions, various regions of root system. Here there are three main areas: area of cell division, area of elongation, area of maturation. Our point of interest is only at the area of cell division, wherein we can observe the different phases of mitosis. So that part should be taken for our mounting to observe the various stages of mitosis. If you see under 10x, we will observe like this, and if we increase the magnification under 40x, we can observe different stages of mitosis: interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Now how to identify these stages? Coming to the results, if the cell is like this, we can say that it has an interphase, that is, chromatin material is present in the form of long thread like material, and whenever it condenses to short rod like chromosomes, it will be the first phase, that is prophase. And then during metaphase, these chromosomes move towards the equatorial plate. Now the chromosomes are moved towards the poles, that is, polarity is observed during anaphase, opposite poles. And then now in telophase we observe two daughter chromosomes are formed. And now coming to the viva voce questions, acetocaramine is a DNA specific stain which is used for identification of chromosomes, and they will ask you to identify one of the stages of mitosis, and you have to locate and sketch one cell of each phase of the cell in a sequence. So today we discussed about all the different phases of identification using squash technique.